Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to do a clean installation of Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card driver on your Windows computer. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Nvidia website. Now over here select your product type, that is GeForce. Now over here select GeForce RTX 30 series notebook. So if select this GeForce RTX 30 series, and then over here select GeForce RTX 3090, and then if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11, then click on search. So whichever is the latest graphic card driver, it will be shown over here. So latest one right now is 546.17. in future there would be new version coming up. So whichever is the new version, you will see it over here. Now click on download and then click on download once again. And once the download is complete, once this download is complete, run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Now click on agree and continue, and then select custom over here. Make sure that you select custom over here and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check on this box and then click on next. And first of all, it will uninstall the previous version, and then it will do a clean installation of the latest graphic card driver. So this is how you can perform a clean installation of your Nvidia graphic card driver on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.